Wagwan, my people. Welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have the Vendetta boss Alkaline. Plus, we also have Demarco and Bounty Killer. Me and here's a Bounty Killer run Demarco off a stage. Viewers and subscribers are beer things going. Plus, we also have Jahshii. So, watch and man, big up on yourself like always. Remember, leave a subscribe and leave a like if you're new to the channel. You see me? Yeah, man, make we jump right into it.
Girl, you're something, girl, you're something. One flick. Ooh, girl.
So Alkaline is one of the few dancehall artists who has a single that hit over 100 million views. Yo, we have to say big up to the artist, cause you don't know Alkaline in the game. Feel like a decade now, and him been a put in the work, you see me? Yeah man, when I've made that soak in. The Vendetta boss also made this post to his IG where it's like he is celebrating his achievement. But the thing is, no viewers and subscribers, if he hit 100 million views on a single, not a feature, yo, that's a crazy good milestone if he hit as an artist. So big up Alkaline, and we also have Shakin Murray to talk about it. Pre-war, go on.
Alkaline new song Fleek. 100 million views that gone on YouTube. And I say, congratulations Alkaline. Because it's not easy to get 100 million views on YouTube nowadays, you know. So when I see a youth, I rank up them scores there. And I have to congratulate the youth. Because, you what now? A growth that, you know, that you call growth. And I tell all youth and youth out there who are doing music, just continue, do what you want to do. But remember this, you know, keep it real and keep focus and do nothing. And numbers do it, you know, in this digital age. So when a youth can rank up 100 million views on YouTube, a big thing's that. So Alkaline, congratulations one more time. And youth, keep it real and keep focus.
Yes, we give thanks. God Almighty, you know. And nobody has been, you know, outdated. Alkaline biggest song, 100 million views. And Fleek. Big up Kerberry, Jungle Boss. Try everybody, you know. All our team. True Loyal Records and Fleek. 100 million views YouTube.
So now we have Jahshii. The entertainer went straight on an interview, and the interviewer asked him about Sumfest. Yeah man, them asked him why did Jahshii made that talk on the stage when him and Massacre did a perform. The entertainer talk a bag of things. So viewers and subscribers, pre-war, and remember, if you don't reach this far, just leave a subscribe.
You said DJ, me don't know.
What me say DJ?
Oh, what kind of boot that you have on?
But me say them not bad like your shoes.
But them not bad like your shoes lace. Them say crown I put out or crown I go. So what did you mean by that? Just to clarify.
Yeah, say Massacre deserve a crown, man, for my generation, you see me? But every ghetto youth a king to, you know, you have to know that too, you know, you see me? So I don't like say, yo, Ray, as me I say, me dip on the stage from Massacre start perform till the end, and everything I just hits, you see me? So me just I say, yo, you're a king in a youth.
Yeah.
Don't make them feel like say you're not king in a youth, wicked.
Yeah. Was there a reason why you said that? Something that happened there?
No, me not talk about nothing but way. Me I talk to Massacre, man, and make him know, say, yo, you see me? I just my realness, that I just my way, I give my flowers, that, you see me?
Exclusive people. So now y'all know what it is. Nicole Uncut. All right. Don't take stuff and run with it. You have to ask the source.
Straight up.
So Jahshii say it's his way. Alright, Jahshii say what he said at Sumfest on the stage, he must say it's his way of giving Massacre his flowers. He must say Massacre deserve a crown too. That's basically what Jahshii say. I see, the thing women rate with these artists, them forward out bad, and they make some bold statement. And then, after they make a statement, them just start trying to change up what they mean. Like, bro, we know what you mean. You say I try to tell everybody, say, Massacre deserve his flowers. Massacre deserve a crown. So if Massacre deserve a crown, why not say, crown I give out, Massacre deserve his crown as well. You see me? Massacre deserve his flowers. But you go come out on the stage and say, yo, where crown I go? Them no bad like your shoes lace. Bro, these artists fall out bad and they make some bold statement. Bro, understand upon statement when you make. Why you not try to grow on people's brain? I don't understand. Why you not make some bold statement and not stand on the statement that you make? You see me? So viewers and subscribers, me not believe Jahshii. So just leave on the take in the comments. You see me? Because I don't know who Jahshii are trying to grow on. Bro, we literally know and understand what Jahshii mean when him come out and make that thought.
Demarco! How you burn out in Palma Gasa? Come make we start them out, they make the dance go back here to the castle. We say we make it something on it. Yo, General, what am I say? Give me a put on with him now or something now. What, nothing more?